There's genuine magic in an instant camera. Snap a photo and hold a real physical print in your hands seconds later. In a world of digital everything, instant cameras deliver tangible, shareable memories and pure fun. Whatever your style or budget, I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. New to TechBee, we cover the tech and gear that actually matters. Honest reviews, real comparisons, no sponsored fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. We drop fresh content every single week and you'll want to be here for the next one. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 99 is the genuine creative control flagship, the most advanced mini-format camera, packed with genuine manual controls and artistic effects for enthusiasts. The standout is the genuine suite of creative controls and effects, including manual settings, multiple exposure modes, and unique built-in color effects like color gel filters that let you genuinely craft moody, artistic, one-of-a-kind prints, a real advantage for creative photographers who want control over their look. The camera shoots the popular credit card-sized Instax mini film, and the genuine manual exposure control lets you adjust brightness for perfect prints in any light. The premium design and build feel genuinely refined and enthusiast grade, and features like a self-timer, multiple exposure mode, and various shooting modes add genuine versatility. The quality lens delivers sharp, vibrant prints. Fujifilm's reputation for the best instant cameras backs it. For creative enthusiasts who want the genuine, most advanced mini-format camera with manual controls and artistic effects, the Instax Mini 99 is the most creative, most control-focused pick on this entire list. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 99 delivers advanced manual controls and artistic effects for creative instant photography. And the price in the description reflects that quality. Check the link below and grab it today. Craft genuinely artistic prints. The Lomography Lomo'Instant wide glass is the genuine wide format creative pick, delivering big, expansive instant prints and premium glass lens quality for artistic shooters. The standout is the genuine wide format film combined with a premium glass lens, which captures genuinely expansive, sharp, high-quality, wide prints, ideal for landscapes, group shots, and dramatic compositions that the smaller mini format can't fit. A real advantage for creative and ambitious photographers. The genuine premium glass lens delivers noticeably sharper, higher quality images than plastic lens instant cameras, and the extensive creative controls including multiple exposures, a bulb mode for long exposures, and included accessories genuinely unlock artistic, experimental shots. The Lomography design philosophy embraces genuine creative, unpredictable, characterful photography, and the larger wide prints make a real statement. The quality build feels genuinely solid. Lomography's reputation for creative cameras backs it. For creative photographers who want genuine big, wide format prints with premium glass lens quality and artistic controls, the Lomo'Instant wide glass is the most wide format, most artistic quality pick on this entire list. The Lomography Lomo'Instant wide glass delivers big, wide format prints with premium glass lens quality and creative controls. And the price in the description reflects that quality. Check the link below and grab it today. Big, artistic instant prints. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 13 is the genuine best for beginners pick, delivering simple, fun, point-and-shoot instant photography that anyone can pick up and enjoy. The standout is the genuine effortless simplicity, with automatic exposure and easy point-and-shoot operation that let anyone, from kids to first-timers, capture genuinely great instant prints with zero fuss or settings, a real advantage for casual fun and gifting. The camera shoots the popular credit card-sized Instax mini film, and the automatic settings genuinely handle exposure for well-lit prints in most situations. The built-in selfie mirror and close-up capability make genuine selfies and group shots easy, and the cute, colorful, lightweight design is genuinely fun, portable, and approachable. The affordable price makes it a genuinely great first instant camera or gift, and the reliable, straightforward operation just works. Fujifilm's reputation for instant cameras backs it. For beginners, kids, and anyone who wants genuine, simple, fun, foolproof instant photography at a friendly price. The Instax Mini 13 is the most beginner-friendly, most effortless pick on this entire list. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 13 delivers simple, fun, foolproof instant photography anyone can enjoy, and the deal in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Effortless instant fun. The Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo is the genuine hybrid pick, brilliantly combining a digital camera with instant printing so you only print the shots you genuinely love. The standout is the genuine hybrid digital and print design, which lets you shoot digitally, preview on a screen, and choose exactly which photos to print, so you genuinely never waste film on bad shots, a real advantage over pure film cameras that print everything instantly. The genuine wealth of built-in lens and film effects with dozens of creative combinations let you craft a huge range of genuinely artistic looks before printing, and the digital shots saved to your phone for genuine sharing too. The gorgeous, genuinely premium retro design looks and feels high-end, and the screen makes composing and reviewing genuinely easy, It shoots the popular Instax mini film and can even print photos from your phone. Fujifilm's reputation backs it. For anyone who wants a genuine hybrid that combines digital control with instant prints and tons of effects, the Instax Mini Evo is the most hybrid, most versatile pick on this entire list. The Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo combines digital shooting with instant printing and tons of creative effects, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Print only the shots you love. Closing out the list with the Fujifilm Instax Square SQ1. The genuine square format pick, delivering stylish, classic square prints with the same effortless simplicity that made the format iconic. The standout is the genuine square film format, which produces genuinely stylish, classic, retro chic square prints with more image area than mini film, evoking that beloved vintage aesthetic and giving your photos a genuinely distinctive, artistic look. A real advantage for anyone who loves the square style. The simple, automatic point-and-shoot operation makes capturing great square prints genuinely effortless with no settings to fuss over. And the automatic exposure handles lighting for well-lit results. The built-in selfie mode with a mirror and close-up capability makes genuine selfies easy, and the clean, minimalist, stylish design looks genuinely great. The larger square prints make a real statement, and the straightforward operation just works. Fujifilm's reputation backs it. For anyone who wants genuine, stylish, classic square format prints with effortless simplicity, the Instax Square SQ1 is the most square format, most retro stylish pick on this entire list. The Fujifilm Instax Square SQ1 delivers stylish, classic square prints with effortless point-and-shoot simplicity, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Classic square format style? Almost done. And if this breakdown just helped you find the right instant camera, do us one favor and hit that subscribe button. It takes 1 second and keeps us making honest content like this every week. We appreciate every one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because these deals move fast. If this helped you find the right instant camera, smash that like button and subscribe to TechBee for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.